How to download Google Chrome browser on a laptop or computer. Welcome to another useful tutorial on ITPK in which I will quickly show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows computer or a laptop. Okay, the first thing we're going to do here, we will proceed opening Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the default browser for any Windows computer. So type Microsoft Edge in the start menu and open Microsoft Edge browser. Once you are in Microsoft Edge browser, please type google.com. Now in Google, please type Google Chrome. Now please go ahead and open the first link that comes up. Now we are on the Chrome official website to download Google Chrome. Now, if you want to select help make Google Chrome better by automatically sending usage statistic and crash reports to Google. It's up to you if you want to select this or unselect this. I don't want to select this and I will go ahead and I am downloading Google Chrome. Once I click on download Google Chrome, this will give me option to save the download file in the download folder. Let's go ahead and save it. Now the file is downloaded completely. Let's go ahead and open the file. Now this will download Google Chrome from the internet and then this will start the installation automatically. Once the download is complete, Google Chrome will take a minute or two to get installed on your computer. Once Google Chrome will install, this will open up automatically on your computer screen. And now you can start using it. So that's how to download and install Google Chrome on your computer or a laptop. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.